Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your wealth management skills with BlackRock step by step clearly. Start by researching BlackRock's wealth management resources online. Visit their official website to explore their offerings. Look for educational materials and courses specifically focused on wealth management. Create an account on their platform if required to access premium content. Review the various investment strategies presented by BlackRock. Identify the strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider attending webinars or virtual events hosted by BlackRock experts. Engage in discussions in community forums or groups related to wealth management. Take notes on key insights and strategies shared during these events. Explore BlackRock's investment products to understand their features and benefits. Identify how these products can fit into your personal investment portfolio. Utilize BlackRock's market research and analysis tools for practical insights. Develop a learning plan that includes regular reviews of new materials. Apply the knowledge you gain by creating mock portfolios based on different strategies. Seek mentorship or connect with professionals in wealth management through networking. Evaluate your progress regularly to determine what skills need further development. Stay updated with industry trends by following BlackRock's publications and reports. Continue refining your skills through continuous education and practical application. By consistently engaging with BlackRock's resources, you can elevate your wealth management expertise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.